You're a guy, sobrang importante ng meditation. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And dito sa video na to, we will discuss on why practicing mindfulness can improve your mental and emotional control. So as men, kailangan sa atin is grounded yung emotions natin because ang masculine is something na grounded, na ibig sabihin he can control his emotions. He can think clearly kahit na kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. So, in which, kabaliktaran ng feminine, in which sila ay more on emotional. So, kapag ikaw ay emotional din, at ang feminine is emotional din, pareho kayong feminine, walang polarity, walang attraction. So, if you want to attract a feminine woman, if you want to have a nurturing, understanding, kind, caring, na feminine woman, you need to ground yourself, you need to be masculine. So, ano ba yung mga signs na meron kang poor mental emotional well-being? Number 1 is constant stress, anxiety. Palagi kang stress, palagi kang anxious. Kumbaga, hindi mo na-regulate yung stress mo. Hindi ka marunong on how to handle problems. Kumbaga, na-stress agad, nag-overthink ka agad. So, yun yung number 1 sign that you are not regulating yourself well. Number 2 is, madalas kang may impulsive decisions. So, madalas ka nag-decide based on kung ano yung nafe-feel mong emotions. For example, yung mga nakikipag-away na, or nakakagawa ng masama, usually sinasabi nila, nadala na lang ako ng emotions ko. Yung mga ganun. So, that's why andun sila, nakagawa sila ng masama, nakukulong sila. Yung ganun. So, they always think based on their feelings or on their emotions. So, ayaw naman natin mangyari sa iyo kasi kapag nag-continue na meron kang poor mental and emotional well-being, number 1, you'll struggle to find peace. Laging may gulo. Again, di ba yung mga babae, mga feminine. Ayoko naman may mga babae bang manonood nito, pero they always gusto lagi nila ng gulo. Eh tayo mga lalaki, ayaw natin yun. So, ayaw natin ng gulo kasi we want to provide safety for our family and security. So, kung palagi kang nasa gulo, ibig sabihin, palaging heighten yung emotions mo. Number 2 is you may react impulsively. Yun na nga. Palagi kang may impulse decision. So, your choices, your decisions are dictated by your emotions. And number 3 is your relationship may suffer. Kasi nga, mawawala yung polarity. Kung nasa feminine ka, is palagi kang high emotional state. And siya rin nasa high emotional state, magbabangayan lang kayo and that will kill your relationship. So, this is important because this mindfulness, having a great mental emotional well-being is key to improve your relationship, to improve yourself by reducing your stress, and also, this will improve your focus. So, with this one, ang ginagawa ko in order for me to improve my mindfulness is meditation. So, I do 30 to 1 hour of meditation every single day. So, ginagawa ko yun every morning before ako mag-consume ng kahit ano. Ang ginagawa ko is nagme-meditate muna ako. When it comes to meditation, ang ginagawa ko is mindful meditation. Ibig sabihin nun, I will just observe kung ano nangyayari sa utak ko and also sa katawan ko. So, without judgment. For example, sa thoughts, merong nag-generate na thoughts sa isip ko na nakikipag-away ako. So, i-observe ko lang siya. Iintindihin ko kung bakit. Hindi naman parang iintindihin kung bakit. Basta kumbaga papanoorin ko lang siya. So, with that one, ina-observe ko lang siya, may tawag doon hindi mo siya ginajudge na putik nakikipag-away na naman ako, ang sama-sama ako talaga, yung mga ganun, no. So, papanoorin mo lang siya. In that way, you're an observant of your own emotions, of your own thoughts. And also, observe mo lang yung nangyayari sa katawan mo. If meron bang tension sa tenga mo, may tension ba sa jaw mo, may tension ba dito sa katawan mo. In that way, you'll be mindful kung ano yung nangyayari sa katawan mo. So, meron kang sense of control. So, if you have a sense of control, if you improve your mental and emotional well-being, is number 1, mas magiging kalmado ka and magigain ka ng clarity kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Number 2 is, magkakaroon ka ng emotional resilience. So, every time na merong heightened emotions or problems na mangyayari is, you'll know na you can handle it. And then, number 3 is, may improve dito over quality of your life. So, not only your relationship to yourself, but also relationship with other people. So, if you want those kind of benefits, you need to start to do meditation. Kahit mag-start lang kayo, kahit 5 minutes a day, pagkagising nyo before kayo humawak ng kahit ano, and bago matulog, 5 minutes. Kasi doon ako nagsimula before ako mag 1 hour. Before ako mag 30 minutes to 1 hour. Nag-start muna ako 5 minutes lang. And then, I progress every week. Parang nag-a-add ako ng 1 minute or 10 minutes. Depende. So, ang mahalaga is makapag-start kayo ngayon. So, I hope this video helps and do meditations. Yun lang.